you want to become graphic designer in 2026, don't skip this video. A lot of people want to learn graphic design, but they get confused about where to start. There are too many tutorials out there, too many opinions, and too much noise on internet. That is why YouTube can either help you to grow fast or waste your time. So in this video, I want to recommend 6 YouTube channels that can help you learn graphic design in the right way. So the first channel I'll recommend to you is Miracle, Okut, or Death. I don't know if I mentioned the names correct, but I'll be putting the names on the screen so that you can go and search for these people. This channel will help you improve your creativity and design thinking. The second one on my list here is The Creative Magician. This channel is great for understanding the basics of design and how you can implement it in your designs. The third one on my list is Niyi Amuda TV. So Niyi Amuda, then you add the TV. If you want to learn tools and practical skills, this is a channel for you. So the fourth one is Sira Ola Me. This one I can't mention it, I'll not lie. So this channel will help you understand the real world of graphic design. Don't miss this one. If you pay close attention to this one and practice what they teach, you can grow like a pro designer in less than 3 months, which is Max Nation. The 6th one on my list is just like a bonus to you guys, because you guys are in the same channel, which is Benimo's Graphics. So if you want to get in-depth knowledge on graphic design, and not just graphic design alone, life studies and how this life moves, then you are in the right place. This channel is not all about graphic design. This is about self-development, all those things that will benefit you. So this channel is for 20s because I'm one. So if this helps you, like the video, subscribe to the channel as they normally say, and save this for later because it's going to be allowed to be saved. Your design journey for 2026 starts now. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.